Okay, real mathematical example of a piecewise function. So this is what a piecewise function looks like. All right. Two different circumstances. X being greater than 1 or x being less than or equal to 1. Two different behaviors. One is linear, one is quadratic. And those two different behaviors will give us two different results on the same graph. Okay? So when you're mapping out a piecewise function, you want to look at the circumstance first because that determines everything. That determines the behavior. So the circumstance seems to be concentrated around 1, okay? Because everything determines itself according to its relationship to 1, okay? So let's look at this example. We'll have something like this, right? Like a linear relationship here. And then down here we have a quadratic, right? We'll go like this. So why do we have an open space here? The open space relates to the fact that we do not have an equals bar. Okay? Anytime you see greater than or less than, on its own, that translates to an open circle. The open circle means it does not include that point. Anytime you see an equals bar underneath, equal or less than, greater than or equal, that will be a filled-in circle. That's why the quadratic has the filled-in circle, because it actually includes this value of 1 here, okay? So, again, circumstance, behavior, outcome. Everything depends. The behavior depends on its relationship to this 1, okay? For all values of x greater than 1, it will be in a linear format, okay? But it stops at 1 because it only behaves this way when x is greater than 1. When x is equal to or less than 1, equal to filled in or less than 1, it will be a quadratic, okay? That's why it's only this one part of the quadratic parabola, okay? Because it only behaves in this manner when x is less than 1 or equal.